If you're looking to take your truck to the next level and maximize its hauling capabilities, you should check out the Bed Rack by DV8. The DV8 Bed Rack is engineered to be versatile, allowing you to carry all your gear with ease. Whether you're into camping, biking, kayaking, or just need some extra cargo space, this bed rack is the ideal addition. The DV8 Bed Rack boasts a dynamic design that not only complements the rugged aesthetics of your Tacoma, but it also ensures it can handle whatever you throw its way. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, it's built to handle even the toughest off-road trails. The DV8 Bed Rack instantly increases your cargo space, allowing you to bring along everything you need for your adventures. From tents and coolers to bikes and fuel cans, you name it, this bed rack can handle it. And DV8 knows that off-roading doesn't always stop when the sun goes down. That's why they've equipped this bed rack with integrated lighting options. Plus, there are mounting points for accessories like awnings, shovels, and even traction boards. It's like having your own customizable off-road command center. Your ticket to unlocking the full potential of your Toyota Tacoma. This bed rack is the ideal solution for anyone who loves off-roading and outdoor exploration. You can explore new horizons and take on challenging terrains like never before. If you want to know more about the Bed Rack by DV8 or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.